school edition, public interview. Ask some questions to some students. Let's see what they have to say. What's up? How you doing?
Good man.
Yeah man, introduce yourself.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Jay.
What school you go?
Marcus.
Marcus? Yeah man, bless up yourself. Yeah man, Jay.
Yeah.
Where you see yourself in 5 years?
Montana, so.
Soldier? Yeah man, military man. Yeah, defend the country. Yeah man, bless up yourself. Big up your friend them. Big up your friend them.
Big up my friend them. 6. You see me? You see me? Where's my friend them said it?
Yeah man, big up your school.
Marcus said it. You see me?
Yeah man. Respect people. I'm here with my friend. Introduce yourself, friend.
Well, I'm Latoya and I'm representing the school, Ferncourt High School, straight out of the parish of St.Ann.
Boop! Yeah man, Latoya. I'd like to ask you a question. Where you see yourself in 10 years?
Well, 10 years from now, I would be successful at life, being a future neurosurgeon and all. Yes, getting my degrees, my diplomas from the University of West Indies and Central University of Florida. Yes.
Yeah man, that sounds good.
And I'll be successful.
A future leader.
Yes.
A future leader.
Yes.
Yeah man, thank you very much. Big up your friend them.
Big up Anna, Dashana, Romelia, Olaji, Derek O'Neill, big up my friend them.
Yeah man, thank you. Bless up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Here again, school edition, asking a few questions. What's up? How you doing?
I'm okay.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Akim Gordon,
Yeah man, what school do you represent?
Frankfurt High School.
Yeah man, I'd like to ask you a question. Where you see yourself in 10 years?
Do academically through the school year that I passed.
Okay, what kind of work?
A neurosurgeon. And
What?
I grow up in the future.
Okay. A future leader. Our future is bright. Yeah man, big up a friend them.
I want to big up Rhyme, big up Abby, big up Dante, all of them.
Yeah man, bless up yourself.
That's it.
Take care of yourself. Boop.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah man, which school do you represent?
About that.
Man, you say you look like a smart guy. Me ask you a question. How much parish in Jamaica?
14 parish in Jamaica.
So you can name them? If you're bad, name them.
My bad name then.
Yeah.
Right. St. James. You have St.Ann. St. Mary.
What is it?
Hanover.
Yeah?
Am I not in the right person?
I saw you go. Good try. Yeah man, big up your friend man.
Alright. That's your friend them. You have to big up. Keep it, big up yourself. Blocks. Weeded. The whole 11 team, man. Just big up on yourself. You see your style.
Yeah man, bless up yourself. Boop.
Book.
Wow. Yes, you too. We're here with, what's your name?
Natalia,
Yeah man, what school do you represent?
about that Gallimore High.
Yeah man, I'm asking you a question. Where you see yourself in 10 years, make sure say think about it, because in 10 years and you look at this video that you're supposed to be doing. So where you see yourself in 10 years?
A teacher,
A teacher? What type of teacher?
science.
Okay, that's good. So bless up, I want you to big up your friend them. Big up your friend them man, not the wrong man. Yeah man, big up your friend them.
Marsha, Shana K, Daniel, Jagozi, Brianna, Jayan.
Yeah man, bless up yourself, respect here. See you too. We here with, what's your name sir? What school you represent?
About that Gallimore High School.
Yeah man, so where you see yourself in 10 years?
Tyler.
Tyler? Good profession man, good profession. Yeah man, so I'd like to ask you a question. What goes up and down but never moves? You can't guess?
Age.
Pick up your friend. Pick up your friend then.
Alright, then we go Bashi 6, Jawanza, Jamar, Smash, Theo, Busha, Lazadan, Kenstrap, the whole family, KT exclusive. See me? I want sound.
Bless up. Oh. Yes people, we here with, what's your name sir?
Martin.
What school you represent?
Yorkshire High School.
Yeah man, I'd like to ask you a question. Remember what question I want to ask you, you're going to look at this in the next 10 years and this is what I want to see happen. So, where you see yourself in 10 years, what profession?
Alright, so I see myself owning a business just like you. Alright, so next 10 years, I see myself own a business and have a family and thing. What?
Entrepreneur.
Yeah, entrepreneur.
Yeah, man. What you know what type of business?
Well, not so sure.
Yeah, but you just wanna do
No,
something for yourself. Yeah, man. A good
No,
thing
sir.
that, man. These people we here with. What's your name, sir?
Rosario Smith.
Yeah, man. What school you represent?
I'm representing Fairtown High School.
Yeah, man. Blessing. Where you see yourself in 10 years?
I see myself as an entrepreneur or a business person.
Yeah, man. What? You don't know what type of business yet?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, but in the business field.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Good field. Good field.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I like to just big up your family and your friends, them.
Big up to my family and my friends that are watching on YouTube. So, big up.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah. Oh, bless up.
Yeah, man.
What's your name, sir?
Julian Thompson.
Yeah, man. I like to ask a question.
Alright.
You see, 10 years from now, when you look back at this video, I would like to say, yes, you was right. I want to ask you, what you gonna be in 10 years? What you expect about a life in 10 years? Where you see yourself in 10 years?
Well, see myself in 10 years, I like to be a fireman.
Fireman?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you want to save people and
Yeah, man.
do good.
Yeah, man.
Good profession, man. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. What school you represent?
Represent Marcus Garden Technical High School.
Yeah, man. You're doing well in school now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, alright. So big up some of your friends and family now.
Yeah, I say, big up father, Maurice, mother Christina, and big up friend Moshi and Emmanuel. Them.
Yeah.
Man. I eat, man.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Yeah, guys. This public interview, school edition, was a great video. Man, I must say, the kids, they have a bright future ahead of them. All of them had high hopes in life, and I wish them all the best. And I thank all the students that participate in this video. Bless upon yourself. Guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed as yet, remember to subscribe, like, and share.